If I ask you to count the number of happy moments yesterday, how many can you tell in a minute? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 ways on how you can make your day very memorable and start focusing on all happiness instead of all worries or sad moments. Number 1. Count the number of times you're making anybody smile today. In a day, how many times are people smiling because of you? That is going to be a moment to capture for you. Number 2. Keep collecting your happy moments every 2 hours. You can choose to write it down in a book, like you have a separate diary called Happy Moments Diary, or you can choose to write down all the happy moments that you had, and that is going to be actually helping you stay more focused, and when you write down, it directly goes into your subconscious mind and start attracting more and more of such happy moments in your life. Number 3, choose random acts of kindness. Instead of you waiting for people to come and ask for help to you, you can choose to go and help out people and make lives of as many people so comfortable as possible. That way you're going to have an internal satisfaction of creating happiness to someone. Number 4, have some time allotted in a day to spend with your loved ones, because at the end of the day, your memories is always going to have more value when it's filled with your loved ones. And number 5 is something which is very different. When you want a day to be memorable, it is important that you do 2 things. 1, either learn something new, or 2, whatever you've been postponing for a very long time, plan to do it that day. For example, I've been postponing to talking to my friend for a very long time. I can plan to do it right away. And if I've been postponing to take action on some project that I've been working out in my mind, I can plan to start taking action today. I hope this video helped you create a lot of memorable moments for the day, and I want you to post in the comment section below on what all memorable moments you collected today after watching this video. Also, subscribe for our channel so that you're getting regular updates from us. Wishing you abundance of happiness and success.